In this lesson, we're going to learn how we can generate and work with the universally unique identifiers, or UUIDs. So this universally unique identifier is a 128-bit label that is generally used for identifying information that needs to be unique within a system or network. In other words, we don't need to be concerned that there might be a clash because of the similar identifiers. So let's say we want to generate UUID type 4, which is completely randomly generated, but you can read about all other types of UUIDs in the docs. So UUID module from the standard library provides us with the UUID4 function, and will display it in several different formats, represented in a default format as a random UUID, as a 32-character hexadecimal string. You'll see that it has no dashes, and as a URN, or Uniform Resource Name. It's a namespace for UUIDs. You can spot it by a label in front of it that says URN UUID. Let me also print some demarcation line, and here is the result. And another type of UUID is called UUID5, which generates a UUID based on the SHA-1 hash of a namespace identifier, which is a UUID, and a name, which is a string, rather than using the local system time or other machine-specific information. But please note that this version is not crypto safe. So below the demarcation line, I'll specify another result UUID, but this time 5, and we're going to be using the UUID.UUID5. Very straightforward. But this time, if we want our UUID to represent a specific domain name, then we would want to pass this namespace DNS, and when the namespace is specified, the name string is a fully qualified domain name. And once we've specified that, we need to pass the sample domain name. In our case, it's going to be avocoders.com. And once we've done that, we'll use the same trick. We'll print the different representation styles of this UUID5, and then we'll run the code. So in this lesson, we've learned how to work with UUIDs in Python. Please refer to the original documentation if you want deeper understanding of what UUIDs are.